Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a part-time reseller, very part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Depop. And if you're new to my channel, you probably know that I just moved into a brand new office. It's about 140 square feet. I'm using this space as my studio, my workspace. I just got my photo backdrop in, and I got my my Z-Rack set up, and it's starting to feel like it's coming together. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. I do not have a new video. This is the new video. It's just a little update, but next week I will be doing 2 videos in the week. On Monday I'll be uploading my sales for the month of June, and then Wednesday I want to do a haul. I'm not sure exactly which haul I'm gonna do because I have a lot of them coming up. So I don't know, it might be a little test run to maybe trying out 2 videos a week. I'm just really motivated to do as much work as possible, crank out some more content, and definitely get a lot of listings up. My goal for July is to do 5 listings a day, the bare minimum. I'm also using ListPerfectly, and with ListPerfectly I'm going to be able to cross list all of my items at once to all of my platforms. So I used to be really bad in the sense that I used to curate items for Poshmark, used to curate items for Depop, curate for eBay, and I feel like I'm just wasting a lot of time. I'm just going to cross list to all of the platforms, and wherever it sells first or wherever the best offer comes, that's where it's gonna sell. So I'm definitely implementing ListPerfectly into my strategy. If you're not familiar with ListPerfectly, it's a cross-listing tool. I do have a discount code, and I'm gonna link it down below if you're interested in it. So far, I love it. I've only used it a handful of times, but again, with me moving into this space, I'm definitely trying to maximize my sales and the time and the effort that I put into my listings, and just crank out as many sales as possible. I'm not really digging the lighting here. Office lights just create really unflattering shadows, and I have my ring light on, so I definitely need to bring in more lighting. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna finish hanging up some stuff. I'm definitely gonna steam my backdrop to get the creases out because I just hung it up. It's a cloth-like material, so yeah, I'm gonna steam it to get the creases out. And I'm just gonna do some I guess chores. I'm gonna sweep up the floor and mop because, you know, I've been boxing and unboxing stuff here, so there's definitely some trash on the floor. Today's the 30th, tomorrow's the 1st of the month, and on the 1st I said I wanted to start working and just hit the floor running. So starting tomorrow I'm going to start photographing in here. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for a little quick tour of my space, and I'll see you on Monday for a recap of my June sales, which were not that bad given that I really didn't do much work, and I really didn't even list any new items, but I did make some sales on Poshmark and Depop. So stay tuned on Monday for my June sales recap, and then Wednesday a very special haul / lookbook. So yeah, 2 videos next week. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in this kind of content, give me a follow and join me here every Wednesday, and maybe every Monday and Wednesday moving forward. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all your support, your sweet comments. Definitely follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see more daily updates, and stay tuned. Okay, so here is an update. I still have some stuff to get rid of. Here is the inventory system. So far I only have 3 full. I still need to bring some more stuff from home. I got this little cart from Amazon, and it just has random stuff. I haven't even organized it yet, like scissors, poly bags, tape. So I don't think I'm gonna bring in my little folding table because I can actually use this as a little desk with my little stool, and I can put my laptop there and work from there. So for now this will do. And yeah, here I'll just do my shipping My boyfriend gave me this little Bluetooth speaker. Here is one rack that I had. This is all stuff that I need to take home to clean. Yes, I can start listing. Like, as you can see, my death, like, this entire office is my death pile now. Like, this is all stuff that I need to list. I got this little rug from the kids section at IKEA. I liked it. I feel like it just helps to bring down the noise and not make it be so echoey in here. Here's the photo backdrop. I need to steam it to get the creases out. I'm gonna work on that today. My mannequin. This is the Z rack that I got from Amazon. I highly recommend an industrial clothing rack. I purchased 2 other ones that I returned because this is the one I wanted, but I couldn't find it. And then I bought like a little flimsy 2-tier rack. I returned it. I got another one, returned it, and then finally I just got this one. This one took like 2 weeks to deliver, but I'm obsessed with it. It's really heavy duty, and as you can see, I haven't even filled up half of it. So yeah, this is stuff that was at my antique booth, and I don't know what to do with it because it's not like, it's vintage, but it's not like the best vintage, so I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Tomorrow is the 1st of the month and I'm ready to start working. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.